Every journey begins with a vision to make a difference, to transform lives, to build a community where everyone belongs. In 1953, a small group of visionaries came together with a singular purpose: to support those affected by epilepsy on Long Island. That vision became the Queens-Nassau United Epilepsy Association. From the 1950s through the 1970s, we focused on education, advocacy, and support for people with epilepsy, later expanding to include day treatment services for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. The 1980s marked our expansion into residential homes and clinical services. These weren't just buildings, they were homes, places of dignity, independence, and belonging. Throughout the 1990s, we expanded across Nassau and Suffolk counties, growing our clinical services and establishing headquarters in Garden City. As we entered the new millennium, between 2000 and 2010, our vision continued to expand. We enhanced services through community habilitation and Program Without Walls, while opening a dedicated mental health clinic. By 2012, we had become so much more than our original name could capture.
We rebranded EPIC Long Island. EPIC Long Island expanded its services to include mental disability services, as well as intellectual disabilities and mental health services, while maintaining our focus on helping the epilepsy community as well.
In 2014, we celebrated another milestone: the purchase and renovation of our EPIC Long Island, Epilepsy Foundation Long Island headquarters in East Meadow.
Since 1955, South Shore Child Guidance Center has provided mental health and substance abuse services for people in Freeport and surrounding communities. In 2016, we greatly benefited by joining forces with EPIC.
The South Shore Guidance Center is located right in the heart of Freeport, New York. We provide mental health services for children ages 5 to 17 years old. Our referrals come from different community organizers, community service providers, and our local schools.
South Shore Guidance Center also provides services to adults and families in crisis.
At South Shore Guidance Center, we're fortunate enough to have Nassau County Mobile Crisis under our umbrella. We go into homes to de-escalate situations and/or assess for hospitalizations if necessary. We've been working very well with the Nassau County Police Department, who we sometimes couple with if we're concerned about violence or weapons in the home.
Then came 2020, a year that tested us all. As the world faced unprecedented challenges as the COVID pandemic hit,
our residences remained open. We continued to provide essential services to the individuals. Our staff provide remote learning and telecare services to ensure there were no disruption in services and supports.
COVID was a tough, scary time. Having my house in Providence open was very comforting.
In 2023, we celebrated the power of three, unifying EPIC Long Island, Epilepsy Foundation Long Island, and South Shore Guidance Center as the EPIC family, while opening South Shore Guidance Center's renovated building in Freeport. And now, as we look to 2025 and beyond, we stand at the threshold of a new chapter.
Today, we're excited to announce the creation of the EPIC Family Endowment Fund. This fund is going to help sustain the future of who we are as an organization and allow us to continue to provide services to people in need. We invite you to join us and help support the EPIC Family Endowment Fund.
Your investment in our endowment fund will help us realize ambitious goals, the future of the EPIC family. With the addition of varied programming, a new EPIC House, a camp for kids with epilepsy, amongst other new initiatives to be announced. For over 70 years, the EPIC family has grown from a small group to a comprehensive network touching thousands of lives each year. Our success is measured in the independence we fostered and the dignity we've honored. We invite you to join us in contributing to the EPIC family in creating a sustainable future where everyone has access to the care, support, and opportunities they deserve. Your gift ensures we continue to transform lives for decades to come.
Together, we can ensure that the EPIC family continues to serve,
to grow,
and to transform lives.
Help us continue building our legacy of care.